Hello traders, and this is your chart analysis for the 31st of March 2020, and it is Tuesday. So we've got the Euro US dollar up here, the 2-hour time frame, and what we have here is, okay, we've got two scenarios. So where price is currently at is definitely a point of interest, and we're suggesting that if this level is broken and held with some bullish price action, we could see a potential buy trade. But also, as indicated by the black line here, there is also a potential sell trade. So if it is broken through this level, we could see it trading lower. So that's definitely something to pay attention to. And in these current market conditions as well, you've got to be versatile and be willing to flip your thesis. If things don't quite play out to your original plan, have a what-if scenario. What-if scenario, we either sell this or it could be a potential buy trade. We'll see what plays out here, guys. So this is the potential sell trade idea or a buy trade idea. So it's at a level where it's quite interesting. But if it can break through here, it could definitely trade lower. And we'd be looking at a take profit of 108.409. We're sort of favoring more a sell, to be honest. In the current situation, we're seeing potential US dollar strength. So the thesis is definitely more short. But again, there is a potential buy trade here as well. But just pay close attention to these levels where price is currently at. If we can break below 109.91, then we could potentially see this thing go short. Alright, so that's the euro. Let's go to gold now. Alright, so gold. Look, wow, gold has been very interesting. And what we're suggesting here is that there is a little bit of downside to play out to 1588. A sell position that could be taken, then a 1588. And then we're seeing the bounce off that level, which has occurred before, as you can see, multiple times. 3, 4, 5. So there could be a likelihood that this plays out with another bounce, and we'd be taking this up to the next resistance line at around 1670 or so. So that's the potential buy trade on gold. Again, you could wait it out, because right now it could go sideways for a little bit. So you've got to pay attention to that. Remember to keep your stop losses tight, and also good risk management. So 1%, is what I'm currently using. 2% maximum, please, guys. That's very important to take note of. All right, let's go to the USDCAD now. So with the USDCAD 2-hour time frame, and as highlighted in the text box here, this is a strong support zone as well. And what we are waiting to see is this to trade a little bit higher to the resistance line. And look how beautifully this is played out against this trend line here. We've had multiple touches. The more touches, the stronger the case for that particular area and how you'd expect it to react. But again, that's why we use stop losses and good risk management. I know I keep repeating this, but it's so very important to just protect your capital. Okay, because so many retail traders lose money. If you look into those statistics, it's well over 95%, because it's so easy to do that as well. So please be sensible, guys, and don't get reckless with your trading risk that you're using. All right, so where we are currently, we'd like a price to trade a little bit higher to around 142.70 or 142.80 even. It's not an exact point. As you can see, it's headed through here a little bit before, but it's definitely, once it gets to there, you want to be thinking about, okay, now it's time to get ready to sell this, and to be watching the price action closely. And there's an educational video that's coming out as well that you'll see. I go into the basics of price action, so take some notes, and you can then directly take that and what you've learned into these trade ideas that we talk about as well. So price needs to trade a little bit higher still, and then we'd be selling it until around 139.50 or so, where we've seen a couple bounces before the price action right there, especially that one. That was a nice recent one too. Okay, all right, we're going to keep this sweet and short because everyone's got busy schedules, and we understand that. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the channel. There's a link in the description section as well for a chat where we talk about signals, trade ideas, and it's very active as well. So there's a lot of learning going on, a lot of helping. So please feel free to join. We also have funds under management and a MyFX book link as well. So please feel free to check that out as well. And we do offer funds under management. There's over 200,000 US dollars currently under management as well. All right, so we've got the New Zealand dollar, and what we are suggesting here, price is pretty much at the point in the chart where we'd be looking to sell this as well. So just hovering over 60 cents right now, and a tight stop at around just above these highs of these candles here. We're talking about potentially 60, 65 or so. Entry pretty much now. We just want to wait on the price action. So around 50 pips is a stop loss. We'd be selling it down to the next support line here at around 57, 60 odd. So that's quite a lot of pips to be made, guys. Potentially, over 200 pips as well. So that's something we're suggesting here on the New Zealand dollar on the 1 hour time frame. So again, we just want to wait for some bearish price action to confirm, and that's the New Zealand sell trade idea. All right, let's go to the euro pound. The euro pound has been pretty wild. It's peaked pretty aggressively and then shot back down. And currently, where price is at is offering a sell opportunity here. So we'd be looking at, again, bearish price action to confirm, and then we'd be taking the sell trade down to 86.40 or so. So again, a nice risk to reward ratio as a trade, and we are suggesting the euro pound has some downside to move. So guys, that was the trade ideas for now. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions, and we'll get back to you straight away. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.